Assembly required. No, color, white, number of Plys, 1, size, 12.1 x 12. Sold as one pack. Everyday napkins handle sticky messes with a soft touch. Bounty Quilted Napkins provide you with the strength you've come to trust. Each napkin is single-ply. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Any paper product can burn if used improperly in microwave or conventional ovens. Not recommended for use in hot conventional ovens. Do not leave crumpled paper towels in the oven, they can ignite. Do not dry herbs or flowers on paper towels in microwave or conventional ovens. In case of fire, turn microwave off and leave door closed. On occasion, ink from wet paper towels may transfer to some surfaces. For best results, see the unprinted side. Top reviews from the United States. Very soft and absorbent. Bounty Quilted Napkins are very soft, durable and absorbent. The feel is very nice and these napkins are really good for cleaning.